Lots of people are thinking about citizenship these days and what it takes to be an effective civic agent. I like to say it's a layer cake. There are 4 things you need. You need to understand your values. You need to have a good, strong sense of narrative. What's your story? How do your values matter to you? What's something that's happened to you that's helped you understand your values? And then when you're clear about your values and what you'd like to see real in the world, what is the policy that counts as bringing that value to life? And then the 4th thing that you need is an action strategy. You've got to put all those 4 things together. Values, a story to tell about yourself and about all of us together, a policy that helps deliver on that value, and then an action strategy to make it real. Maybe you're working with your representative, maybe you're writing letters to the editor, maybe you're gathering people in your community to make something happen. A lot of us forget to work across all 4 registers. Sometimes we get really hung up on a policy. And we forget to go back to the basics. Why do I care about that policy in the first place? What are my most fundamental values? It's worth going back to that question and getting clear on it, because then you'll have a clearer view about which policies are actually the best ones for you to support and work toward. The other thing that's really important here is that a lot of us have a lot of different values. Some of us care about freedom, some of us care about sustainability, some of us care about equality, some of us care about beauty or leisure and pleasure and intimacy. We have a huge array of things that human beings value. So one of the really hard things in politics is to figure out how to take what we all care about and turn it into a set of shared values. That's where the American tradition is really interesting. We have a couple of core values that we all care about in some way. Liberty, freedom, equality, justice. Somehow we have to put these things together. So it's often good to ask yourself the question, how does what I care about, sustainability, relate to freedom or equality? Or if I care about fair policing, how does that relate to equality and freedom? Let's think about the story we tell together, connecting what each of us cares about to what we care about together as a society.